Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on a motorcycle that's not just powerful, it's a head-turner. We're talking about the Ducati Diavel, a machine that blends muscle cruiser style with Italian racing heritage. Scene cuts to the host standing next to the Diavel. So, let's dig into what makes this Ducati devilishly desirable. Key features: performance. Camera pans over the Diavel, highlighting its design elements. First things first, the Diavel boasts a test-rated DVT 1262cc engine. Now, that might sound like gibberish to some, but trust me, it translates to serious power. We're talking 162 horsepower and 95 pounds-feet of torque. That translates to exhilarating acceleration that will pin you to the seat. But the Diavel isn't just about raw power. Ducati has equipped it with a suite of electronic rider aids, like traction control, wheelie control, and cornering ABS. These features make this powerful machine surprisingly manageable, even for less experienced riders. Scene cuts to the host riding the Diavel on a winding road. Design uniqueness. Camera focuses on the Diavel's design details. Now, let's talk about that head-turning design. The Diavel breaks the mold of traditional cruisers. It has a muscular, low-slung stance, but with a sportier, almost aggressive silhouette. The single-sided swing arm and chunky rear tires scream performance, while the sleek lines and sharp angles add a touch of Italian flair. This isn't your grandpa's cruiser. The Diavel is a motorcycle that demands attention, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Unique selling points. Scene cuts back to the host next to the Diavel. Here's what truly sets the Diavel apart: it's a masterful blend of the two worlds. You get the comfort and relaxed riding position of a cruiser, but with the performance and handling of a sport bike. It's a motorcycle that can carve up canyons on the weekend and cruise down the boulevard in style during the week. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for a powerful and unique machine, the Diavel is definitely worth a look. Outro. Scene shows the Diavel disappearing into the distance on a coastal road. Music fades. So, what do you think? Is the Ducati Diavel your kind of devilish ride? Let us know in the comments below what you think of this Italian masterpiece. And if you're interested in learning more about the Diavel or any other Ducati motorcycles,